Are you ready to turn your workshop into a profit powerhouse? Meet the ROBOTEC RTJ-1325, a 150W CO₂ laser engraver built for serious business. With a massive 1300 by 2500 mm workspace, lightning-fast speeds, and compatibility with industry-standard software like CorelDraw and AutoCAD, this machine cuts, engraves, and impresses all in one. From acrylic signs to leather goods and wooden crafts, you can generate between $3,000 to $15,000 every single month. Invest smart, work fast, and build your brand with Rabotec. Ready to level up? Click the link below and start today.